In this video, you're going to learn how to add music to your status in WhatsApp. This will work on both iOS and Android. Let's get started. So first things first, open up and log into your WhatsApp account. Go to the updates section at the very bottom in the left-hand corner, and then you'll see your status. Now, there are two ways I'm going to show you how to do this today. First one is built directly in the WhatsApp application. Go ahead and tap into the addition symbol there to add a status. And then go ahead and pick a video or record one if you want to, or an image. We'll choose this image here. And then in the upper portion of the screen, you're going to see a music note. Go ahead and tap into that music note there. That will bring up all of the songs that are built into WhatsApp. You can search them here by just scrolling down, or if you want to, you can tap in the search songs or artist tab there at the very top. And then what you can do is select the song by tapping on the arrow there next to that song. And then now at the very bottom, you'll be able to drag the slider to choose which section of the song you want to add to your status. Again, depending on if it's a video, it'd be for the duration of that, if you want the music to go through the whole video, or if it's an image, it can be upwards of 15 seconds. So choose the 15 seconds segment that you want. Go ahead and tap done. And then as you can see, you can now add a caption if you want to, like so. And then now, whenever you send that status, it prepares it. And then now your status, if you see there it's sending, it shows it there. This is your status. And when you play it back, it will automatically show that's the status with the music playing in the background as you see here. Now, if you want to add a song that's not on the WhatsApp application database, you would then need to go to something like Apple Music and start playing a song. So we'll play this song here from my Apple Music or Spotify or another music player. Find the song you want, start playing it in the background. Go ahead and go back to WhatsApp like so and add a status. So we'll go here and we will go ahead and do a video and we'll hold down the record button like so. As you're recording, that music should be playing out of the speakers of your device. As it's playing, make sure it's recording for a certain amount of time and then stop the recording. Now, when you play it back, it will have the music recording just from that app that you've recorded it from. So that's another kind of workaround trick if you're looking for a specific song to add to your WhatsApp status. If you have any questions, put those down below in the comments section. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.